Okay guys, welcome back. Some trouble has happened and we can't fix that problem as you can see, but I fixed it somehow. We go to collab. This is some of the videos. I don't know who make FDOR, but let me see, give you a thing that what we are going to do. In the next project, we officially start our Python project on this new thing. Let me run this line of code for you to see what we are doing. Okay, I thought I was the only one who noticed that. What is it giving us? It's reading all the comments and storing them on our code. You can see Amy Ronaldo is the best player, so we can find it here. It's the thing that we are going to do. We are going to extract these comments and put them in a CSV. It's not now in the CSV, but we are going to do that. It's now in the file. I love Ronaldo, for example. They are all the comments in the video. I didn't find a video with lower comments. They are all lots of views and comments, but this one is good. It's only have a little comments, but I promise I find a better one for you when we start our project on writing the codes. Okay, about PyCharm, I'm trying to fix it. I don't know what it's doing, but he's doing some kind of thing in the background. I didn't understand very well, but I promise I will fix it. The program that we are writing in the next lessons is going to extract all the comments from a YouTube video. Have a good time. Until then, see you back.